I had dreamed about studying veterinary nursing and going back to college, but I was worried about the financial costs of going back to college. UCD offers a fees and finance information evening each June. It covers fees, scholarships and grants that you may be eligible to. I was entitled to the Free Fees Initiative and the SUSI grant. This had only left me to pay €254 of the student levy fee. Depending on your circumstances, you may be eligible for the Back to Education allowance, or you may be eligible for the SUSI maintenance grant. I could never have started a degree programme without the financial support offered to mature students. I was awarded the Student Support Fund. This helped me pay for my college expenses, and I was also awarded the Cóta Rómhánla Féine Scholarship through the Access and Lifelong Learning Centre. The financial support that I have received has made return to college easier than I ever expected. I would encourage anybody who wants to do it to just go for it. The support is there.
I was excited when I got my offer from the CAO to study computer science at UCD. My attention quickly turned to how I would adapt to life on campus. After meeting with the disability officer for a needs assessment, I was issued with a certificate of registration, which confirmed the supports I was entitled to. This document really helped to make communicating my needs to my lecturers and tutors very easy. The office helps organize assistive technology like LiveScribe Pen, exam and academic accommodations for those who need it. Learning support and occupational therapy is also available. The campus is very accessible, which makes going around on my mobility scooter and crutches very easy. Staff at UCD work tirelessly to ensure you have a good experience during your time here. Now all my concerns have been addressed, and coming to UCD has been the best decision of my life.
When I decided to come to college, I was anxious. I feared the language would prove to be a biggest barrier for me. I will not be able to keep up or integrate into the college life. During orientation week, we were introduced to the Writing Center and Math Support Center. It was great to know that these supports would be available to me. Also, on orientation week, I met my peer mentor and my peer mentor group. These were my first friends in UCD. My peer mentor was able to give me the insight of life in UCD and address some of the fears I had. I kept in touch with my mentor, and today I'm a peer mentor myself and able to pass on the tips to my own group of mentees. The social aspect of the orientation week was invaluable to me. Before the classes started, I already met a group of friends and was shown around the campus for a few days, which really helped to take the pressure off. Today I'm more confident than I ever was.
In an organisation as large as UCD, there is always the fear that you won't know where to go for help. There are student advisors attached to each programme, and there are dedicated student advisors for mature and international students. Your programme-based student advisor has in-depth knowledge of your programme and can guide you to the policies and supports which are available to you. The mature students advisor is very familiar with the issues which affect mature students in particular, and can advise you on the resources available to mature students and can refer you to specialist help if needed. Managing home and college life is not always easy, but knowing that there is someone there whose job it is to advise and support me makes it that bit easier.
Before I started the degree programme, I was abroad for several years. I was a bit apprehensive coming back to education, but the Mature Student Society was a great way to meet people. The Society organises weekly football events. The facilities here are second to none, so we make sure to use them. It's a great opportunity to forget about books for a while. All UCD students have free use of the gym, so the Society organises a gym buddy. That way it's great to stay motivated, and if it's your first time going, you're not intimidated. Another good way to meet people are through the breakfasts, coffee mornings and lunches. You get invaluable advice from other mature students in the year ahead. Through the Society, I've met people I would have never met otherwise, and the friendships I built are for life. It's good to know that university is not just about the books after all.
I never thought I would come to university until a lecturer in my further education college suggested I apply. I came to UCD through the Access programme and found the help here invaluable. The Access Centre is such a welcoming space, and knowing that I can get all the supports I need in the one place in the heart of the campus is a great help. For me, the academic workshops in the Access learning space have been invaluable. I attended them for my first semester at UCD, and I still refer to their notes on Blackboard. I pinch myself daily, realising that I am now in my third year of a landscape architecture degree.